Hey everyone, if you're in the UAE and you're trying to use Discord but it's just not working, don't worry, you're not the only one. Discord is blocked in the UAE, especially its voice chat features, because of government restrictions on VoIP services. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unblock Discord in UAE quickly and safely using a method that actually works. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description to get NordVPN, the VPN I personally use and recommend. It's one of the few that still works reliably in the UAE. So why doesn't Discord work in the UAE? The government blocks all VoIP apps, including Discord, Skype, WhatsApp calls, and Zoom, to protect local telecom companies. This means voice chat won't connect. Servers might load slowly or not at all. You can't use Discord the way it's meant to be used. The only way around this is to change your online location, and that's where a VPN comes in. A VPN, virtual private network, lets you bypass restrictions by changing your IP address to another country, hiding your internet traffic from your ISP, giving you access to blocked apps like Discord, Skype, and more. But not all VPNs work in the UAE. Many are blocked or too slow to use. Free VPNs? They usually don't work at all and can put your privacy at risk. That's why I recommend NordVPN. It has obfuscated servers to bypass UAE censorship, fast, stable connections, great for voice chat, a 30-day money-back guarantee if you want to try it risk-free. Here's how to set it up in just a few minutes. Step 1. Click the NordVPN link in the description to sign up. Step 2. Choose your plan and create an account. Step 3. Download and install NordVPN on your device. Step 4. Open the app and go to Settings. Auto Connect. Enable obfuscated servers. Step 5. Connect to a server outside the UAE, like the US, UK, Singapore, or Germany. Step 6. Open Discord. And you should be able to use voice, messaging, and servers with no restrictions. Still having trouble? Here are some quick fixes. Try a different VPN server. Change VPN protocol to OpenVPN TCP or NordLynx. Restart Discord and clear the cache. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. These simple steps fix most issues. And that's how you unblock Discord in the UAE, fast and easy. Use NordVPN with obfuscated servers to change your location and beat censorship. Get started using the link in the description to unlock Discord with a discount and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Have any questions? Drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out. Like this video if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more Discord guides that actually work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.